I am like bewildered right now. I have no idea where this chicken is. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Crocker Homestead. Today is Sunday Funday and we went to the flea market. Jared picked up some zucchini, green zucchini, and some squash. And so I will show you guys some of that. And then we got home, we went grocery shopping, we got some stuff to barbecue. We have a friend coming over. And we also put our neighbor's injured chicken, we put him outside with our chickens. And so it's a little windy outside, so I'm gonna try and not talk as much as possible outside. But I wanna show you guys how he's doing. And Jared's outside cutting the wood. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but that's what that noise is. And Jason is editing, editing some vlogs and some videos. So let's go check out the vegetables first, and then I'll take you out back and we'll check out the chickens. So I think all of this we've had, no, actually I think that might be what we got today. And the guy, since we buy from him so often, gave some of it to us for free. Like some of the lettuce back there he gave us free, and then this stuff he gave us for 25 cents each instead of 50 cents, what he normally charges. And we also got some of this over here in this box. So we have tons and tons of stuff that we are growing, you guys. Oh, here's the zucchini that we got. It says yellow, but he said that's incorrect. It is actually green squash. But so we got all this, and we, you know, have our collard greens, and I think these are cucumbers. And he said around the middle of April, he's gonna have watermelon and cantaloupe. So we're gonna be back for sure to get some of that, and hopefully by then we'll see if our watermelon's gonna grow or not. Fingers crossed. He said he does really well with watermelon and cantaloupe, so hopefully we'll be able to grow that as well. As you can see, we got some delicious looking pork ribs, we have asparagus, we got corn as always, some chips and salsa, and some brats that we're gonna cook up. So we have lots of food, and Jared's getting the fire started right now, cutting up some wood. And then, so let's peek at that real quick, and then we'll go check out the chickens and maybe gather some eggs. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm outside in the barn and I'm looking for this chicken, but I don't know where he put him. Maybe he's on the other side. I don't know, I'm still looking. I do see some eggs though, so I'll go ahead and collect a couple of eggs too. But I want to show you guys the chicken. I just gotta find him. Okay, you guys, I swear I heard him. I think he's out, and I think he's on the other side of the barn, like inside though. So let's go see. There's a bunch of junk we have piled in the corner. Not junk, but like just a bunch of random stuff we have piled over there. So I don't know, he has the big things on his feet. I don't really want to try and catch him myself. I might have to go tell Jason to help me, but I don't know. Let's see if it is him, if he is out. So I went and checked on the other side of the barn, and I didn't hear him or see him. So now I'm confused, and I'm gonna go ask Jason where he thinks he is. I don't know, I can't find him. This is weird. Well guys, I am like bewildered right now. I have no idea where this chicken is. So I I don't know. I'll talk to Jason and figure that out. But before I go inside real quick and talk to him, I want to show you guys how the quail are doing. They're loving their new home. They're doing great. They're always like bathing in the dirt. It's awesome. So let's go check them out. Y'all, I found it. So I figured it out. The reason why I could not find the rooster is because he was in the front of the yard, because our rooster is running him off and doesn't want him to be around his ladies. So he's been in the front yard basically, and our rooster's not letting him go out back to the other chickens. So apparently, you know, we can't keep him, and I don't think that was the intention from our neighbors anyways. So Jason was gonna text them and see what they want us to do with him. We're not sure if they want him back, but if they do want him back, he's healed and he's doing good. So it's time for him to go home. All right, you guys, I don't know what Jason's doing, so let's go find out what he's up to. And before I do, I want to introduce you to one of my friends.
Hi, I'm Kristen. Jolena has invited me over today just to kind of hang out on their little homestead and see about what Jared's cooking really is about.
What are you doing?
You're right there.
Huh?
I didn't even know you're right there.
What are you doing?
Digging up grass.
Why?
Get out of the rock. To feed the animals. Got a lot to do. Just growing weed in our yard.
So what did you think about Jared's barbecue?
So, I think I could do way better. So I need for you guys to stay tuned. In a few weeks, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show Jared how to cook. Comment below on who you guys think would win. It was so awesome to come over to Jolena's house in Louisville and to see her small little garden. And then I come over to her little homestead here and I see that she now has a garden the size of her little backyard that she had in Louisville. It's just so incredible to see the growth and to see how amazing things are going to be. And maybe, just maybe, we could get a little bit of salsa out of Jared. We'll see. I remember the very first time that I heard about this homestead, and I remember Jolena and I went out for a little girls' night, and she kept telling me how she was so excited about this land that her and her husband and his twin had bought, and they were so excited about it, and I never thought that it would ever grow to be what it is today. And to come over today and see what they have grown since they have left Louisville is just so amazing. They have their chickens, they have their goats, they have their dogs. It's just so incredible and it's so inspiring. And I'm just so blessed to know them, and I'm so blessed to be a part of this crazy thing that we all call life. Thank you so much for watching the Crocker Homestead. I hope that you will subscribe to their Facebook channel, Instagram. Shut up, Jared. Subscribe to their channel. Make sure to click on that notification bell.